Welcome back to the second video in this series, and in this video we're gonna be I'll walk you through how you can download and install and run Ollama in your computer. And this is a part of a tutorial series for Chainlit where we're gonna be creating a ChatGPT clone, and for that we need Ollama in our system. But I mean, if you guys are even remotely interested in LMs, you might already know how to do it, but um, I'm still gonna be giving you a small walkthrough on how to do it. So first thing you're gonna do is to head over to this website called Ollama, and from here you're gonna go to the download page, and here you can download .exe for Windows. And once you click on this, your download will start. We're not going to download because we already have it installed in our system. So once your download finishes up, you'll need to install it. And once that happens, you'll need to run it. But, well, if you have installed it for the first time, it will already automatically start running, and you can see it from here, from the taskbar. You can see Ollama running right here. Wait, I'm going to click on this arrow, and a drop-up will appear, and you can see Ollama running. Right now, in your command line. But if you have Llama installed already, and if you want to run it, you can simply need to go to type Ollama in the search bar, and we'll start from here, and we'll start running, and we can see it right here in the corner. Once that happens, you will need to go to CMD, your command line, and from there we can see our Ollama right here as a command, and you can pull a model using Ollama pull and the model's name. You can also run a model if you have already. If you don't have a model already, it's going to download the model first and then gonna run it. But if you say pull and it says only going to download, but if you can also see how many models you already have using Ollama list. And this will bring up a list of all of the models that you have. I have all of these, and these are, I've created them personally. You can create a model. We're gonna see how we can do that later. But first we have you can see I got a few different models of different quantization level. I got 0.2 to 0.5 instruct FP16. We can run this one. It's like about 900 megabytes, it's less than a GB, and it's only 500 million parameters. And that's what we're gonna be using for our this is the one I downloaded for myself to use it for my for our tutorial. That's because my computer is not very powerful enough to run a model. Even this one can run, but it's going to be very slow in its token output. And especially the more chats you generate, the slower the further token output will become, because of something how the LMs work. And that's why for our tutorial we're gonna be using Qwen 2.5.0.5b, but you can really download any other model you want. How are you gonna do that? You'll need to come to this Ollama page again and go to the model section. In the model section you can find all the various types of models you can download, and suppose you want to download Gemma 3, you can click on Gemma 3 and it's going to take you to this page where you can see all of the different models, different parameters that you can download for Gemma 3. And you can just simply copy this and go to Ollama, go to your terminal and say Ollama pull and then the model's name. You're gonna paste it here. I'm not gonna run it because it will start downloading immediately. So if you do that, it'll start downloading the model. You can also download different. This one by default downloads the default quantization that they have set for these names. We can't see it, but if you go to View All section, and here you can find out all of the various different quantization levels you can download for your model, specifically 27. If you go for, say you want to download the 4 billion instruct models, and you have Q80, you can really check how much is their context length from, and what is their size from here, and their inputs that detect text and image. So from 4 billion, the Gemma 3 starts taking both text and image. And these are the different quantization level. I suppose the first one is going to be the lowest, and followed by the highest. Sorry, I mean, the first one starting from the highest quantization to the lowest, and this is the base model, which is FP16. And this one is going to be better than the rest of them in terms of accuracy, but it's also going to take the most amount of space and RAM, and also compute. So if you want to download anything, you can come over here to the all page, all section. And if you want to download, say, this one, you're going to copy this name from here, and you can go to a terminal and paste that name like this. But it's going to start downloading, so I'm not going to do it. However, once you have that model already in your system, you'll need to use its full name anywhere where you're referencing it to use this model. If you want to use this model anywhere in your code, you will have to reference for the entire name, no matter how long it is. Even this one, Qwen 2.5, 0.5 instruct, FP16, all of it. Now, once you are done with this, you are up and you're all set for your LLM. Your LLM is there in your system already, ready to run through code or even through terminal. If you want to run it on the terminal, you can easily just do Ollama run, and let's say if I want to run the one with the lowest megabytes, I think 0.5B would be the best because it's not going to require too much RAM. So if I run this, it's going to take some time to load it in memory. And now you can send it any message. Say hi, and there you go. How can I assist you today? If you have any question or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. And I can continue this chat even more, but I'm not going to do that. So if you want to exit, you can say exit/exit/exit, and it's going to exit you out of the chat. So I guess if you guys follow through this video, you're going to have a Ollama model running in your system. And it's going to be helpful for our tutorial series further going on. In the next video, we're going to see how we can create our very first chat interface in Chainlit. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.